Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize LaunchDarkly SDK for user targeting, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize the LaunchDarkly SDK for user targeting, begin by navigating to the LaunchDarkly website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, select your project from the dashboard. Locate the settings icon on the left sidebar and click on it. In the settings menu, find the section labeled API Access. Here, you will see your access token. Copy the access token for use in the SDK. Next, decide on the programming language you will be using for your application. For JavaScript, install the LaunchDarkly SDK using npm by running the command npm install LaunchDarkly Node Server SDK. For other languages, refer to the specific SDK documentation on the LaunchDarkly website. Once the SDK is installed, initialize it in your code. Insert the access token you copied earlier into the initialization code. For example, in JavaScript, use the following code snippet: const ld_client equals require LaunchDarkly Node Server SDK. Next, establish a connection to the LaunchDarkly. Use the client. Wait for initialization method to ensure the client is fully initialized. You may want to add error handling in case the connection fails. Once the client is initialized, identify the user for whom you want to target features. You will need to create a user object that contains its unique identifier. For example, const user equals key user123 name John Doe. Now that the user object is set, use the client to evaluate. Call the client.variation method while passing in the feature key and the user object. Make sure to define a default value in case the feature flag is not enabled for that user. Store the result for further use in your application. Continue to refine your targeting by setting user attributes in the user object. You can include properties such as email, country, and any custom attributes your project may require. After implementing user targeting, use the LaunchDarkly dashboard to monitor feature flag performance. Check if users are receiving the intended feature experience based on your targeting rules. Debug any issues that arise by reviewing logs in both your application and the LaunchDarkly platform. As you gain more experience with the SDK, consider implementing advanced targeting rules using segments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.